Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this pluggable USB-C MST triple display docking station. It's got 2.5 gigabyte per second Ethernet and 100-watt charging. We are going to be unboxing it, and then I'll show you kind of what to expect when you get it in the box. You can actually get it with the link in the description below, and I do want to thank PLUGABLE for sponsoring today's video. We're also going to plug it into my MacBook to see how the charging works, and then I might be able to get some footage of me plugging in 3 displays to it. I don't actually have 3 displays laying around. This does work with Windows or Chrome OS. It allows you to turn it into a workstation, allowing you to have multiple ports as well as micro SD card slots, multiple Type-C ports. No drivers are needed. This will just work, which is awesome. Most devices like this are plug and play these days, but it's good that they note that. This pluggable docking station enables plug and play driverless connectivity for modern USB-C video-enabled USB 4 and Thunderbolt laptops running Windows 11 or newer and Chrome OS systems. Not recommended for Mac and ARM-based systems. So that's actually interesting. Obviously, my Mac is an ARM-based chip. It's an M1 chip.
Give me that chip. No, sir.
I think it'll still charge this laptop fine, but it probably won't really do any video output. I'm assuming it would probably be fine with like one 4K display or even a 1080p display. This does support up to 100 watts, which I said earlier, as you can see right here. It also has a 30-watt USB-C charge-only fast port, so you can charge your phone and tablet off it if you're using this at your desk. So it looks like Windows 10 or 11 or an Intel-based Chromebook are supported, not compatible with macOS for extended displays, which is interesting. Requires a USB-C, USB 4, or Thunderbolt port that supports video output. It's got 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, maximum resolution and number of displays dependent on the host and platform and CPU. Intel 12th gen or newer or AMD Ryzen 6000 or newer, you got 1 display up to 4K 60, 2 displays up to 2 4K 60 hertz, and then 3 displays up to 4K 60 hertz, or yeah, the way they word this is weird. So you've got 1 display up to 4K 60, or 2 displays up to, well, 2 4K 60 displays, or 3 up to 1 4K 60. I think they mean 3 4K 60, as well as 2 1080p 60 hertz displays. So this will not support anything higher than 60 hertz, so don't plan on plugging any 120 hertz monitors in. If you have 60 hertz monitors, this would be great for you. I think we can just go ahead and open it up. There's not much else I can find that would be worth mentioning in this video. Again, you can buy this with the link in the description below. I'll put Plugable's website to it, as well as an Amazon link if you guys would like to buy it there. Go ahead and open this box up. Pretty cool, actually. There's nothing I need to cut. I just use these little pull tabs, and it actually makes unboxing much easier. And we're there. Right out of the box, you get a little support card and a discount code I'm not going to show on screen. You also get some propaganda. You get the actual dock. Not going to read the propaganda, I never do. We're going to go ahead and pull the dock out and put that off to the side. This thing is heavy. I don't know if this is just a review unit or what, but this thing is quite dirty. I don't think you're going to get it like this. This might just be a technical error or something happened when they shipped it out. This thing is super heavy. One cool thing is that it does allow you to use it upright or sideways depending on your style. We'll look at this in a minute. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get a power adapter, which is 150 watts. Wow. Yeah, this is 150 watts. You can see right here, 149.1 watts. I wouldn't plug this into anything other than that dock. And then you've got your Thunderbolt cable here. So all you really get in the box is nothing too special. Not that it has to be. We're gonna put that off to the side and take a look at the actual dock. So right off the bat, on the back, we've got 3 HDMI ports, 1 USB 5 gigabyte per second, 1 USB 2.0 port, Ethernet, PD watt, 100 watt charging. That's what you're going to plug your laptop into for video and charging. That's where you're going to plug the power adapter into. And on the front, we've got a power button. I'm not really sure what it's for. It's probably to turn it on, I'm assuming. 1 USB 10 gigabyte per second port, USB Type A, then 1 USB 5 gigabyte per second port, Type A as well, then 2 Type-C 10 gigabyte per second ports, micro SD and SD. I did that backwards, but this is SD slot and this is micro SD. So super handy. Alrighty, I was able to plug it in. As you can see, we've got a green light, and this does turn it off and on. This is probably so like when you walk away from your desk, you can click this button and it just shuts everything off, so you don't have to worry about, you know, leaving it on all the time, which it probably wouldn't hurt it, especially if you're charging a device. So let's go ahead and plug this into my MacBook. I just want to see if it'll charge it. Cable, by the way, the Thunderbolt cable is, I want to say about 3 feet. Nothing fancy, but it is rigid, which is nice. So there's like a chance it's not going to just fray and fail over time, or at least not as fast. But let's go ahead and get this working. This is my MacBook Air. I want a MacBook Pro, but they're expensive. So until then, MacBook Air works. Yeah, look at that, it's charging. I kind of figured that was going to be the case. It also changed color. Interesting. Anyway, guys, that's going to be the pluggable dock. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy this video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Pluggable, thank you for sponsoring this video once again. This is a super cool product, and I hope you guys continue making these because this is a very, very quality product. Like this thing, you can't feel it in person, but it's actually quite heavy. So there is that. I don't have a scale, unfortunately. That's something I need to get. But all right, that's enough rambling. I don't even know where I'm going with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next video, and peace out.